Did you know that the ingredients in chai tea can help with indigestion, nausea, and overall health? It can even help fight the cold and the flu. If you're wondering how you can make some of this healthful herbal chai tea, you have come to the right place. Many people have heard about chai tea, especially those chai tea lattes from your local coffee shop or drive-through coffee place. Those ones that are full of sugar and unhealthy fats, and they're super expensive. If you're new here, my name is Deanne with St. Fiacre's Farm and Farmhouse Teas, and today we're going to make an herbal chai tea at home using organic whole ingredients that you can tailor to your taste and preference and use in many different ways to create your own flavor and blend. What's even better is that this herbal chai tea blend I'm going to show you can be used in many different forms of chai tea. And so you can pick chai teas that are decaf or caffeinated and using different flavors and different herbs with different benefits. Today we're blending an herbal chai tea that has just 6 ingredients. We're starting off with a base of cinnamon, which is known to be antiviral and antibacterial. It is also very sweet tasting. And then next we have cardamom, which is the herb that gives the flavor to the chai that it's well known for. After the cardamom, we have cloves, and then we have some star anise, and then some ginger, which is going to give it a little bit of its known bite, and it also is very beneficial health-wise. And last but not least, we have some black pepper. I've got these all measured out. As you can see, I've got 1 part cinnamon, a 1/2 part of cardamom, 1/4 part of clove, 1/4 part of star anise, 1/8 part of ginger, and 1/8 part of pepper. I'm going to mix these all in the bowl and we will have our chai tea ready to go. Sure and break up your star anise into little pieces so that it's more evenly dispersed and the flavor is more even. And then go ahead and give it a little stir. And you're good to go. We've got our herbal chai tea blended and now it's ready to drink. To steep the herbal chai tea, you want to use 1 teaspoon into either a disposable unbleached tea bag or your favorite tea infuser. You want to steep that at boiling for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then you can add your cream and sweetener as you desire. If you want to turn this blend into something else, like say maybe a traditional chai that has black tea, you'll just need to add 2 parts black tea to the spice blend to make that a black chai tea. If you want to go another route and make another herbal blend of chai tea using these spices, you could use a red rooibos or a green rooibos to make another herbal blend. If you want to make a pumpkin chai tea, you could use 2 parts red rooibos with your herbal blend that we just made. Add in a little bit of powdered dried pumpkin, maybe a little bit more ginger and clove to give it that pumpkin flavor, and some pumpkin seeds. You can also add other things, like we have our Cherry City chai tea. We've got cherries in there and cocoa nibs that gives it kind of a chocolate cherry flavor, and that is in a black tea base. We also have our maple chai tea that features some maple extract and black tea. And then we have a peach chai tea, which is similar to the maple, in that it is flavored with a peach extract as well as some organic dried peaches. So whichever flavor of chai that you're wanting to blend at home, you now have the tools to make whatever flavor it is that your heart desires. And if you aren't up to making your own chai and you just want to try some of the different flavors, maybe give you some ideas, I'll go ahead and put the links down below to the blends that we carry in our shop. Now that we have this herbal tea blend, we can make so many different flavors of chai, and not only can we get the benefits from the herbs that are in the chai, but it's also a money-saving tool to keep you from spending too much at those coffee shops, even though they are really good. To find more herbal tea blending tips, check out the link below for 2 of our ebooks called D.I.Y Medicinal Teas and Growing Herbal Teas. We also have more video tutorials here on our channel and also tutorials over on our blog at farmhouseteas.com. As always, a thumbs up is the best compliment that you can give us. And if you don't want to miss any more tutorials here on our YouTube channel, make sure and hit that subscribe button below. And until next time, keep on steeping the harvest. Bye. Thanks for joining us on the farm.